Today on EK Fab, I answer the age-old question, what happens when you use a Scotch brite on an angle grinder? Alright, so welcome back, and it's been a little while, but I'm hoping to get more of these videos out. So long story short, I had this idea of using a Scotch brite pad with an angle grinder while I was bored at work one day. And I was looking for something that would be gentle but still remove some material and hopefully give something a little shine. So long story short, I drilled and tapped 4 holes into my angle grinder's arbor nut, and I duplicated a ring to attempt to match this arbor nut, and it has matching holes. You can kind of see it there. And what this does is it kind of clamps the Scotch brite pad in between these 2 pieces of metal. And the reason I tapped the holes and used a nut is because this thing spins at like 15,000 RPM, and I'm not looking to eat an arbor nut to the face, or even a Scotch brite pad would hurt when it's spinning at 15,000 RPM. So, and here I have a 2-inch piece of scrap steel, 2-inch square, and it's got some surfaced rust. It's pretty orange, but it's really not that bad. But let's see if it works. Well, let's see how it does anyway. I know it won't really work. Well, it definitely works, but the only problem is because these things were not designed to spin at such a high RPM, it breaks down rapidly. So quickly, it's ridiculous. You have to have incredibly light touch in order to get to remove anything without just breaking apart. But it does work. It removes the surface rust. It doesn't really polish it like I hoped. But hey, you never know until you try. Thanks for watching.